Hello everyone, Daniel here with the Pedal Peasants YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I want to bring you all a quick video and I want to share some information on the UKC1 display right here. I want to show you how it works, I want to show you what it looks like, and I want to show you some of the settings and shed as much information as I can on this display. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to access your display as well to customize it to your needs. With that being said, if you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. So I'm going to begin with turning on the ignition from the bike, and then I'm going to begin with pressing down the panel button over here, and I'm actually going to switch the frame and show you what the panel buttons look like over here. So this right here is what the buttons look like. As you can see, we have parameters up and down, which is a plus and negative. We have the menu button, and then we have the power. So those are the parameters right there. We have up, down, menu, and power. I'm gonna go ahead and hold this one on, and you're gonna see the display turn on right there. As you can see, the display is turning on. Here we have the UKC1 display armed and ready. And over here on this side, if I click the positive button, as you can see, the assist changes to 2 here. We have the clock, we have wattage, and then we have the miles per hour, and then the miles that we've rode. And then we have the battery percentage. As you can see, I could change to different pedal assist. That's with up and then down. Very straightforward there. And then turning it off and on, you would hold the power button down, like so. Hold it down again, turns it back on. And for those who are curious, if you're wanting to access your menu for whatever reason, let's say you're wanting to turn the screen then the direction that I have it right here, which is I believe vertical, you can change it vertical or horizontal. To do that, you're going to want to double tap the M, and then it brings you into this menu right here, as you can see. And to navigate through these options right here, you're going to use the positive and negative button. So as you can see, I'm using the negative right now, and it's navigating through the options. And those are all of the options right there. If I hit positive, it takes me back to the beginning. And then you have the brightness, so you could adjust the brightness. And then you have your clock. And to access the setting, you're gonna want to go to the setting, and then you're gonna wanna hit M. And it's very straightforward. As you can see, I have my time set. Next setting, I'm gonna press the negative to go down, and then I'm gonna hit the M to access the settings, as you see. And then off auto or auto off, 5 minutes. So if it's sitting in idle for 5 minutes, it'll turn off by itself. We could take that down to about 4 minutes maybe. 3 minutes, something like that. Should never be. I'll take it back up to 5. That seems about right. And then we have wheels, so you can pick your wheel diameter here. Mine are 19 inches, so I'm just gonna go with 20 for now. And then advanced setting. And the password here is 1801. That's the password there. So I'm going to find the number. Once I need to go on to the next one, I'm going to hit the M. And you see it goes on to the next. I'm going to hit the M again. And I'm going to hit M. And as you can see, it takes me into the advanced settings here. Exit. And then I'm going to keep going through the next one. So you have battery right here. Back, informations, and then you can change the screen direction from here. So if I hit up and hit M, you're gonna see that's a change. I have mine set in this direction so I can fit my rear view camera next to it. And that is essentially the entire screen here. If you hit exit, it takes you back to the beginning. And that is it. You can adjust the clock right here to reflect your current time. Mine's reflecting 21:33 as you see. But overall, all in all, that is a quick rundown on how to use the UKC1. So if you're wondering how to access your settings and or get into here to adjust it to your liking, this is how you do that. Now, if I didn't touch base on anything specific, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have an Instagram and a TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.